Good morning. Today our lesson 10, is talking about evaluating numerical expressions. What are the expressions in this lesson? We're gonna know what are the expressions and what do I mean by numerical expressions. Now all of you please open your book, page 61. Your book, page 61. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to use parentheses, brackets, or braces in numerical expressions and evaluate expressions with these symbols. And write simple expressions that record calculations with numbers and interrupt them without evaluating them. Now, what do I mean by numerical expression? Now, before talking about expression, you have to know something that what we call this one. This is a number, is it right? And when you add it to another number, what did you say? You say 2 plus 3 is 5 or equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. So this one, we name it equation because it has an equal sign. But if you have 2 plus 3 without the equal sign and without the answer, with this one we called it expression. Do you know what's the difference between equation and expression? Equation, it has an equal sign, but an expression, it doesn't have. Look at me. I will give you another example now. Like 3 plus 4 is 7. How can we read it? We say the 3 plus 4 equals 7. So that means, since I say equal, so this is an equation from its name, because I said equal, so this is an equation. But if you say 3 plus 4, like I asked you, write the expression of 3 pencils added to 4 pencils, you will say 3 plus 4. If the numbers come like 3 plus 4 without equal sign, we call it expression. So an expression is a phrase that has numbers and operation signs. Numbers like 3 and 4, operation signs like plus, minus, multiply, and divide, but doesn't have an equal sign. This is the definition of the expression. Now let's see here, how can we write the numerical expression? How can I write the expression? Here I give you a sentence, okay? You need now to read it. I told you, miss, at the beginning, it's page 61. Now, you need now to read the sentence, analyze it, think about it, write it, try to translate it as numbers with a plus, or I can say with operation sign. You need to circle the numbers, check, are you talking about plus or minus or multiply or divide? Then write the expression. Look at this example here. Taylor caught 15 small bass, and his dad caught 12 small bass in the Memorial Bass Tourney in Tito Date, PA. Write a numerical expression to represent how many fish they caught in all. Now, all of us know the first step, as I told you before, you need to circle the numbers. We have 15 and 12. Then they asked me to write a numerical expression to represent how many fish they caught in all. You do remember now when you are grade 1 or grade 2, when I told you like in all, what does it mean in all? Is it addition or subtraction? Addition. So words in all, it's mean addition. So now I know the two numbers. I told you when you write an expression, you need to write the two numbers and the operation sign. Now here, you know the two numbers, you know the operation sign, just write them together. 15 plus 12 is what? This is my numerical expression. And so then now here, what does 15 plus 2 represent? And if you want to find the answer as an example, what does it represent? What the results represent? Which we say that the son caught 15. The dad or his father caught 12. The expression you said that you need to add 15 plus 12. So now the result here, or can say the total here, represent what? Represent how many fish they caught in all. Did you get the idea now? Let's take more examples. Inshallah, you will understand more and more. Now here, write an expression to match the words. Emma has 11 fish in her aquarium. Okay, show here, what does she have? She has 11. Then she buy 4 more fish. 4 more fish. So here, what do you have? You have Emma has some fish. Okay, and then she buy more, she's buying more fish. Then she combining them two unequal numbers, 11 and 4. They combining them together in order to get a new number of fish. So what did you do here? Did you subtract, or you will add, or you will multiply? You will add. So you have to say 11 plus 4. She has a fish, a number of some fish. They add, she buy 4 more fish. Now 11 plus 4. Okay, now the result here, what does it represent? What does the expression model in each example? I mean here, like you said 11 plus 4. What does 11 plus 4 represent? It represents the number of fish Emma has now. This number 11 plus 4, it represents the number of fish Emma has now. But not now, after I finish this page. Now B now. Here now, Lucia has 128 stamps. She uses 38 stamps on her party, the party invitation. So how many stamps she have? Sorry. 128 stamps. How many stamps did she use? 38. So does it mean, does it add a new stamp or take away? Bravo. She has 128. She take from them 38. So you will say 128 minus 38. Now 128 minus 38, what does this expression represent on model? It represents the number of stamps that she has now. Okay, she has 128. She take 38. So how many ones she have now? How many left? We have 128 minus 38. So this expression model represents the number of stamps Lucy has now. See now. Carla buys five books. Each book costs $3. So Carla buys some books, and which all of them cost the same amount of dollars. So what did she do here? How many books she bought? Bravo, she bought 5. And each book, you remember word each, it means what? It means multiply. Or like here, 4 more, it means plus. She used, it means minus. Each book, what does it mean? If you see diamond, if you see each, it means multiply. Bravo. So multiplied. Cost per book. What is the cost of each book? 3. Yes, bravo. Now what does the expression here model in each? Bravo, the total cost of the box. Thank you. Now, here, number D now. 4 players share 52 cards equally. Remember, if you say share equally, what does it mean? Divide. Bravo. If you say word equally, I shared with you the number of biscuits equally, it's mean divide. Now here, how many cards you have? 52. How many players we have? 4. Bravo. An expression, because I ask you now to write an expression. Bravo. Now what does the expression model here in this example? 52 divided by 4. Bravo, the number of cards each player gets. Thank you. The number of cards each player gets. Okay, I give you 1 minute only to write. Yeah, now. Yes. Oh, miss. I have a little time with me. It's this one. here for the numerical expressions, such as 72 divided by 9 plus 16. This is here, what do we have? We have a lot of numbers, and there's an operation sign that they are between them. Where should I start? Should I divide first, or shall I add, or shall I subtract? What is the first step that should I do? We have an order for the operations. The first step, do the numbers inside the brackets. The second step, multiply or divide. They have the same priority. Then the addition and subtraction. Be careful. If you add first, then you divide, you get another answer, and this is wrong. Got it, girls? Okay. Now, so bravo. Now be careful. Don't multiply, don't add first. Check if there's a multiplication. Right? What about the others? I open now the lesson here, lesson 111. Just a minute. What's the problem today? Now, Miss, I also on my mobile, it's shown. Okay, yeah. Yeah, okay, now. So now here, look at this one. Look at this problem here. What do we have? We have 3 times 4 plus 3 times 2. Okay? A bread received calls for 4 cups of wheat flour. Page 67. So here, what do we have? We have an expression. Okay? Look at Gabrielle. She saw, what did she do first? And let's see what is her problem. Here, she said that I will multiply. She added first. She said 4 plus 3 is 7. Then she said 3 times 7 times 2, and her answer is 42. But this is wrong, because she didn't follow the order of operations. In order of operations, you need first to multiply, then add. Let's now do it by following the order of operations, but now I will write my name, which is Dima. Dima now follows the order of operation. What did Dima do now? First, is there any parenthesis here? No, so PIM does multiplication. Is there any multiplication? Yes. Yes. So now Dima will multiply 3 times 4. And what's the product of multiplying 3 times 4? 12. Bravo. And then 3 times 2, 6. Then after here, we have a plus. We get the plus sign down. So now 12 plus 6 is 18. So who get the high mark? Gabriel or Dima? This one, because she follows the order of operations. Okay, and we will solve another example in order to understand. Now, in order to solve my example, I want you now to go to evaluate the numerical expression, page 69. Yeah, number six, now page 69 here. What do we have? Miss, okay, I will post the classwork on class area. You can write after the period. Here now, 10. Now, okay, I want you to help me, but because some of the girls didn't understand, so I need now to repeat it. Now here, what do we have? 10 plus 36 divided by 9. Now, who says that I didn't understand? Hanin, yalla. Hanin. Okay, let's start with Hanin now. Hanin. Here, 10 plus 36 divided by 9. Okay? Is there any parentheses here? Is there any parentheses or brackets like this? No. Okay. Then now you need to go to the multiply. Is there any multiplication here? In number 1? No. Okay, skip it. Then, is there any division? Oh, sorry. Is there any division now? Yes, where's the division here? So 36 divided by 9. So because the division, it has a high priority than the addition, so you will start now with the division. Then 36 divided by 9. 36 divided by 9. 4. Then you write. Now what do you have to do next? You will write now the plus sign down and number 10 down. Then 10 plus 4 is 14. That's it. Did you understand now? Okay. Now I will give you now another example. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Now look at me here. As an example, if you have in number 2 now in your book, okay, you have 10, but I need to write it here because I want to move the numbers in order to understand more. 10 plus 25 minus 10. Divide by 5. Okay. Now let's remember, what are the order of operations? P, M, D, A, S. Yeah, the first one now here. Do we have a parenthesis? Yes. Where are they? Bravo. 25 minus 10. So now, because there's an parenthesis, I need to solve the expression inside the parenthesis. 25 minus 10, 15. Bravo. So now, for this number here, I will write instead of it 15. Then I will get down the plus sign, the 10, and the divide by 5. Got it now? How did you know? How did you solve it? Now then, what do you have to do next? We have 10 added to 15, divide by 5. Is there a parenthesis here? Multiplication? No. Divide. Yes. Bravo. So now 15. Aywa. 3. Bravo. So now she divided. Then after that, but what do we have left? We have 10 plus we will write it back. Then 10 plus 3 is 30. Bravo. Yes, right. This is number 2. Okay. I will go back now to the wait. I know. I will write. Wait. I will write here the answer. Okay. In the here 50. So it comes like 10 plus 15 divide by 5. Then 3 plus 10, which is 13. Now, number 3. Who wants to help me? Yalla, Sarah. Okay, Sarah. Now, Sarah. 9 minus 3 times 2 plus 8. Bravo. 3 times 2 is 4. 6. Bravo. So then, so 9 minus 6 plus 8. Hello, see. Wait a minute, please. I want to tell you something. Hello, I told you now here that, just a minute now. The orders like parenthesis first, then division, multiplication, and division. Then the addition and subtraction. If you have addition and subtraction at the same sentence or the same line, start from the left. Because here we have addition and subtraction, you have to start from the left. Yani first you need to subtract, then multiply, because they are on the same line, so they have the same priority. Okay. So A1 9 minus 6 is what? First, 9 minus 6 equals 3. Equals 3. Plus 8 equals 11. Bravo. So the answer here is 11. Okay, Hamada, I will. Now be careful here. There's no equal sign because this is an expression. Okay, so here just write the numbers under each other without equal sign. Okay, Tabial, I will let you solve number 4. Yalla Hunada. 4 plus 49 minus 4 times 10. Okay. Bravo. So first she solved what is inside the parentheses. Then minus 4 times 10. Then what do you have to do next? No, wait, Hunada. I told you now multiplication and division. So multiplication is first. $40, bravo. Which is? Equals 13. 3 minus 0, 3. 5 minus 4 is 13. So the answer is 13. Okay, that's it. Now, by the way, girls, for the homework today, there's no homework, okay? It will be delayed to tomorrow. Okay? Because we didn't finish the lesson. If you want to try it, you can, but